Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to this Fedora machine from a Windows 10 device using SSH. Now, on the Fedora machine, we just need to make sure that we have a Open SSH server installed and enabled. And then on the Windows 10 device, we'll just use an SSH client to make the connection. So let's go ahead and open the terminal on this Fedora machine here. So let's run the command to install OpenSSH. The command is sudo dnf install -y for yes, open SSH -server. We'll put in our password here. Let's try again. Now, once the installation is completed, what we'll do is we'll check the status of SSH. Okay, now before we check the status of SSH, let's enable it. Let's do sudo systemctl enable -now sshd. SSHD is SSH services right here. Let me clear this. Let's proceed to check the status. We'll do systemctl status sshd, and it's active running. It's also enabled. Now that we've verified that we have SSH installed and enabled and active or running, we should be able to remotely connect to this device from a Windows 10 device. One other thing we might want to do here is to make sure that the port for SSH is open on the firewall. Now, Fedora uses firewall D. Let's go ahead and look at the command for that. We'll do sudo firewall -cmd -permanent, then -add -service equals SSH. Next, we'll reload the firewall. We'll say sudo firewall cmd -reload, and that's done. Now, in order for us to remotely connect to this device, we need the IP address on this device. We also need a username and a password. So this is going to be our username. Let's find the IP address here. So IP address command shows us the IP is 172.16.1.100. Now we're ready to go to the Windows 10 device to make the remote connection. You might also want to log out if you're going to use the same username. So let me go ahead and log out. I will go to the Windows 10 device. So I'm on the Windows 10 device here. There's two ways we can do the SSH connection. We can use a built-in SSH client using the command prompt, or you can use PowerShell. You can also use a tool like PuTTY, which is a graphical user interface for connecting. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the command prompt here. We'll do cmd. Okay, so on the Windows 10 device, I have the command prompt open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see if I can reach that device using ping. Say ping 172.16.1.100, and I can reach it. Now, to connect using SSH, the command is ssh which is the username, and then the IP address was 172.16.1.100. Now you can accept the fingerprint if it's your first time. Now put in the password for the user eno. And I'm logged into Fedora here. I can do W. It should show me the connection. This is the connection right here. So that's how you'd use the built-in SSH client. And like I said, you can use tools like PuTTY. So all you need to do is just input the IP address here, 172.16.1.100, And with this you can customize stuff like your phone. You can save your connections here. So this is the default connection. You can create your own and save it, and then just customize whatever you want to customize. So once you've typed in your IP and the port is 22 for SSH, if you click open, you'll just be prompted to input your information for the username and password, and it should be connected. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to a Fedora machine from a Windows 10 device using SSH. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.